Hello, my dear students. A very warm welcome to all of you in Shri Jayendra Rank Zone. I am your friend and mentor for the subject Business and Commercial Knowledge. In this lecture, we'll continue with Business Chapter 3, that is Business Organizations. All the concepts will be covered in the coming series of lecture. So let us continue. This is lecture number 3. We are going to start with Cipla Limited. Cipla Limited is incorporated in 1935. It has headquarters in Mumbai. Cipla Limited is working under the Pharmaceuticals Industries Company. The chairman of Cipla Limited is Y.K. Hamid. The president, managing director and chief executive officer of Cipla Limited is Mr. Umang Vora, and the CFO, that is the Chief Financial Officer of Cipla Limited, is Kedar Upadhyay. Let us understand about the company's introduction. Who is corporate and what it does? Cipla Limited is a leading medicine manufacturer in India. The company has about 1500 pharmaceutical products in more than 60 therapeutic categories. Some are sold domestically, while the rest reach international markets in more than 150 countries. It offers prescription drugs for all kinds of ailments: arthritis, cancer, depression, as well as over-the-counter drugs for cold, oral hygiene, skin care, etc. Cipla leads the domestic retail pharmaceutical market. The company also makes bulk drugs, agrochemicals, and animal products. Cipla has earned a worldwide recognition of adhering to the highest standard of quality and has received approval from ministries of health of various nations and major international regulatory agencies. Company's history. Cipla was founded as a chemical, industrial and pharmaceutical laboratories by Khwaja Abdul Hamid in 1935. The name of the company was changed to Cipla Limited in 20th July 1984. In the year 1985, US FDA approved the company's bulk drugs manufacturing facilities. Philosophy of the company. Cipla has developed good positive image by providing support to cancer patients by introducing drugs at a low cost. Slogan is caring for life. Vision statement of Cipla Limited: to be the first global biotech company to provide high quality products at affordable prices that will enable access to millions of patients worldwide by the year 2025. This is the vision statement of Cipla. Let us understand the mission of Cipla Limited. Cipla's mission is to be a leading global healthcare company which uses technology and innovation to meet everyday needs of all the patients. Let's try and understand the portfolio of Cipla Limited. Cipla sells active pharmaceutical ingredients to other manufacturers as well as pharmaceutical and personal care products, including escitalopram, antidepressant, lamivudine, and fluticasone proponate. It is worldwide largest manufacturer of antiretroviral drugs. Cipla currently manufactures more than 200 generic and complex active pharmaceutical ingredients. Business in news. Meditab Specialist Private Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of the company, acquired 75% stake in Mab Farm Private Limited. Cipla Limited has acquired in October 2019 novel and patented anti-infective product Elors from Venus Remedies Limited (VRL) for the Indian market to further strengthen its presence in a branded Indian critical care space and as a part of its agenda to contribute to the fight against antimicrobial resistance (AMR). The 82-year-old chairman of pharmaceutical major Cipla, prominent scientist and businessman Yusuf Hamid, has been made an honorary fellow of the prestigious body comprising of many of the world's most eminent scientists in the year 2019 list of new fellows of UK Royal Society. Let's continue. Cipla leads the retail domestic retail pharmaceutical market the company also makes bulk drugs, agrochemicals and annual products. Cipla has earned a worldwide recognition for adhering to the highest standard of quality and and has received approvals approvals from ministries of and health of various nations and major international regulatory agencies. In 2015-16, The revenue of Cipla Limited was rupees 11,965 crores. It employs over 22,000 people. Let us move ahead. Cipla is a leading pharmaceutical company dedicated to high quality branded and generic medicines. Branded and generic medicines. We are trusted by healthcare professionals healthcare professionals and and patients across geographies. Across geographies. Over the last 8 decades, we have strengthened our leadership in India's pharmaceutical industry and and fortified fortified our promise of caring for life. Caring for life. We know we are now strengthening our global focus by consolidating by consolidating and deepening our presence in the key markets of India, South Africa, USA, and other economies and other economies of the world. Subsidiaries. Let's note some subsidiaries. Cipla Consumer Healthcare, Ciptech Discovery Engine, Stempeutics, Stempeutics. Other relevant information slash milestones, achievements. In 2012, Cipla received the Thomson Reuters India Innovation Award. India Innovation Award. Meditab Specialist Meditab Specialties Private Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary subsidiary of the company acquired 75% stake in Mab Farm Private Limited. Private Limited. I believe you understood. I believe you must have understood till here. So we have understood and completed about Cipla Limited. Now we are moving ahead. We are moving ahead and we'll be learning about Coal India Limited. We'll be understanding and learning about Coal India Limited. So Coal India Limited is incorporated in the year 1975. The company is owned by the Government of India. It is a central government company. It has headquarters in Kolkata, India. Mr. Anil Kumar Jha is the Chairman and Managing Director of the company, CMD, and Mr. S. Sarkar is the Chief Financial Officer of the company. Company introduction. Who is corporate and what it does? Coal India Limited (CIL) is an Indian state-controlled coal mining company. It is the largest coal producer company in the world. Largest coal producer company in the world. It contributes about 84% of the coal production in India. Government of India owns it and controls the operations through Ministry of Coal. In April 2001, Coal India Limited was conferred the Maharatna status by the Union government. It is operating through 82 mining areas. Coal India Limited manages 200 other establishments like workshops, hospitals, etc. Further, it also owns 26% technical and management training institutes and 102 vocational training institutes. It commands nearly 74% of the Indian coal market. Let's understand about the company's history. Nationalization of the coal industry in India in the early 70s was a fallout of two related events. In the first instance, it was the oil price shock which led to the country to take up a close scrutiny of energy options. A fuel policy committee set up for the purpose of identified coal as a primary source of commercial energy. Secondly, the much needed investment for growth in this sector was not forthcoming with coal mining largely in the hands of private sector. Company's philosophy, company's vision. To emerge as a global player in a primary energy sector committed to provide energy security to the country by attaining environmentally and socially sustainable growth through the best practices from mine to market. This is the vision of Coal India Limited to emerge as a global player in a primary energy sector committed to provide energy security to the country by attaining environmentally and socially sustainable growth through the best practices from mine to market. Let's understand about the mission statement. To produce and market the planned quantity of coal and coal products efficiently and economically as an eco-friendly manner and due regard to safety, conservation and quality. Portfolio of business, products and services. Coal India Limited produces the coal through 7 of wholly owned subsidiaries. These are Eastern Coal Fields Limited, Bharat Coking Coal Limited, Central Coal Fields Limited, Western Coal Fields Limited, Southern Coal Fields Limited, Southeastern Coal Fields Limited, Northern Coal Fields Limited and Mahandi Coal Fields Limited. So these are the 7 wholly owned subsidiaries of Coal India Limited. Its 8th wholly owned subsidiary, Central Marine Planning and Design Institute Limited, CMPDIL, provides exploration, planning and technical support to all the 7 production subsidiaries. I believe you must have understood this. Let us continue. Joint ventures. Coal India Limited has 2 joint ventures. Industrial Coal Ventures Private Limited ICVPL was formed in 2009 for acquisition of coking coal properties outside India. CIL holds 2 by 7th share in paid up share capital of International Coal Ventures Private Limited. Coal India Limited NTPC Urja Private Limited is a 50-50 joint venture between Coal India Limited and NTPC, formed in April 2010 for acquisition of coal blocks in India and abroad. Business in news. Coal India ranked 583rd on Forbes World Largest Public Corporation List 2019. Coal India Limited has been awarded the Corporate Social Responsibility Winner Award (CSR Winner Award) for rural development and infrastructure at the 6th CSR Impact Awards 2018-19. Coal India Limited was recognized for the integrated rural development done in Purulia. Shri Anil Kumar Jha, Chairman of Coal India Limited, exchanged memorandum of understanding with Mr. Leonid Gennadievich Petukov, Director General, the Far East Company, for attracting investment and supporting exports, and Far Eastern Mining Company (FEMC) of Russian Federation, Russia, in September 2019. Present activities and profile of Coal India Limited. Coal India Limited is an Indian state-controlled coal mining company. It is the largest coal producer company in the world. It contributes about 84% of the coal production in India. Government of India owns it and controls the operations through controls the operation through through ministry Ministry of Coal in April 2011. Coal India Limited was conferred the Maharatna status by the Union Government. It is operating through 82 mining areas 82 mining areas Coal India Limited, Coal India Limited manages 200 other establishments, 200 other establishments like like workshop, hospitals, etc. It commands nearly 74% of the Indian coal market. Indian coal market. In 2015-16, the revenue of Coal India Limited was 807 billion. It employs over 3,33,000 people. 3,33,000 people. Other relevant information. Milestone achievements. Coal India Limited has been conferred the fastest growing award in the India Today PSU Awards event held in Delhi on 14th December 2015. 14th December 2015. Shri Nagendra Kumar, Director, Technical, Coal India Limited, received the award from Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad, Honorable Minister of Communications and Information Technology, Government of India, in the presence of Shri Piyush Goyal, Honorable Minister of Minister of State, IC Power, Coal, New and Renewable Energy, Government of India. Government of India. I believe you have understood till here. I believe you understood. Let us continue. Let's begin with Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited. Dr. Reddy's Laboratory was incorporated in 1984. In the year 1984, its headquarters is in Hyderabad, Telangana, India. Mr. Kalam Satish Reddy is the chairman of the company. The president CEO, that is Chief Executive Officer, is Erez Israel. The Chief Financial Officer of the company is Soumen Chakraborty. Company introduction: who is corporate and what it does? Mr. Reddy's Laboratory is an Indian multinational pharmaceutical company. Dr. Reddy's manufactures and market a wide range of pharmaceuticals in India and overseas. The company has over 190 medications, 60 active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs for drugs manufacture, diagnostic kits, critical care and biotechnology products. It strengthened its Indian manufacturing operations by acquiring American Remedies Limited in 1999. This acquisition made Reddy's the third largest pharmaceutical company in India, after Ranbaxy and GlaxoSmith, with a full spectrum of pharmaceutical products, which included bulk drugs, intermediates, finished dosage, chemical synthesis, diagnostics, and biotechnology. Let's understand the history of the company Dr. Reddy's. Dr. Reddy's originally launched in 1984, producing the active pharmaceutical ingredients APIs in 1986. Reddy started operations on branded formulations within a year. It had launched Norilet, the company's first recognized brand in India. In 1987, the company started transforming itself from a supplier of pharmaceutical ingredients to other manufacturers into the manufacturer of pharmaceutical products. Philosophy of the company: bringing expensive medicines within reach, addressing unmet patients' needs, helping patients manage disease better, and enabling and helping our patients ensure that our medicines are available where it is needed, working with patients to help them succeed. Portfolio of businesses, products and services. Generic medicines, tablets, capsules, injectables and topical creams. Brand: Omaze, Nice, Ketorol, Stamlo and Razo. Over-the-counter medicines, medicines on pain management, dermatology and allergy management areas, and gynecology. Brand: Citrine, Nice Gel, Ibuclean, and Novigen. Business in news. In 2014, Dr. Reddy's Laboratory was listed among 1200 of India's most trusted brands according to the Brand Trust Report 2014. Dr. Reddy's Laboratory Limited initiated a voluntary nationwide recall on October 1, 2019 at the retail level of over-the-counter products and the consumer level of prescription products of all of its ranitidine medications sold in US due to confirmed contamination of N-nitro nitrosodimethylamine NDMA above levels established by the USFDA's the Food and Drug Administration in the federal agency of the United States Department of Health and Human Services. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories has entered into an agreement April 2019 to acquire a portfolio of 42 approved non-marketed abbreviated new drug applications ANDAs in the US. The value of total addressable market for these products in the US is approximately $645 million for the calendar year ending in December 2018. Company's website www.drreddys.com www.drreddys.com Company's subsidiaries Beta Farm, Dr. Reddy Laboratories, DRL Investments, Promeus Pharma, Cheminor Investments, Reddy and Childs. In 2015-16, the revenue of Dr. Reddy's Laboratory was 15,698 crores. It employs over 20,400 people. It employs over 20,400 people. I believe you have understood till here. Let us move ahead. Let us move ahead. We are starting with GAIL India Limited. We are starting with GAIL India Limited. GAIL India Limited is incorporated in 1984. Ownership group Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Government of India. Headquarters is in New Delhi, India. Present head, that is Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, and Chairman Mr. Ashutosh Karnatak. The Finance Director is Mr. A.K. Tiwari. Let's quickly understand the company's introduction, who is corporate and what it does. Gas India Limited, GAIL, is the largest state-owned natural gas processing and distribution company in India. It has India's principal gas transmission and marketing company. It has the following business segments: natural gas, liquid hydrocarbon, liquefied petroleum gas transmission, petrochemical, city gas distribution, exploration, and production. GAIL Tech and electricity generation. GAIL was conferred with the Maharatna status on 1st January 2013 by the Government of India. It has more than 70% of market share in both gas transmission and marketing. GAIL owns the country's largest pipeline network, the cross-country 2,300 kilometer Hazira Vijaypur Jagdishpur pipeline with a capacity to handle 33.4 mmscmd gas. Today, the company owns and operates more than 11,000 km long cross-country natural gas pipeline in India, having presence in 22 states in the country. It also owns and operates more than 2,000 kilometers long LPG pipeline in the country and has the pride to operate one of the world's longest exclusive LPG pipeline in the country from Jamnagar in Gujarat to Loni in Uttar Pradesh. Let's learn about company's history. GAIL India Limited was incorporated in August 1984 as a central public sector undertaking PSU under the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. It was formerly known as Gas Authority of India Limited. Company's philosophy, vision: to be the leading company in natural gas and beyond, with global focus, commitment to customer care, value creation for all the stakeholders, and environmental responsibility. Mission statement of the company: to accelerate and optimize the effective and economic use of natural gas and its fractions for the benefit of national economy. Let's understand the company's portfolio of business, products and services. Subsidiaries of the company: GAIL Gas Limited, Brahmaputra Cracker and Polymer Limited, BPCL, GAIL Global Singapore Pte Limited. Joint ventures of the company: Avantika Gas Limited AGL. GAIL has 22.5% stake in the company along with HPCL as an equal partner. Bhagyanagar Gas Service BGL. GAIL has 22.5% stake in the company along with HPCL as an equal partner. Central UP Gas Limited (CUGL). GAIL has 25% stake in the company along with BPCL as an equal partner. CUGL has connected 200 commercial and industrial units in both the cities. Green Gas Limited (GGL). GAIL has a 22.5% stake in the company along with IOCL as an equal partner. Indraprastha Gas Limited (IGL). Gas has a 22.5% stake in the company along with BPCL as an equal partner. Mahanagar Gas Limited (MGL). GAIL has 49.75% stake in the company along with British Gas as an equal partner. Maharashtra Natural Gas Limited (MNGL). GAIL has a 22.5% stake in the company along with BPCL as an equal partner. Petronet LNG Limited (PLL). GAIL has a 12.5% equity stake in PLL along with BPCL, ONGC and IOCL as equal partners. Ratnagiri Gas and Private Limited (RGPPL). GAIL has 32.88% stake in the companies along with NTPC as an equal partner. Tripura Natural Gas Company Limited (TNGCL). GAIL has 29% of the stake in the company. GAIL China Gas Global Energy Holdings Limited. GAIL has 50% equity interest in the company along with China Gas as an equal partner. Businesses in news. GAIL ranked 1186th on Forbes World Largest Public Corporation list 2019. GAIL ranked 290th on the Forbes World Best Employer list 2019. GAIL won the prestigious CII National Water Awards for Excellence in Water Management 2016 in out-offense category. GAIL Petrochemical Unit at Pata came first in 16th National Award for Excellence in Cost Management 2018 from ICAI in Public Sector Manufacturing Mega Category Offense Category. GAIL India Limited will invest over 45,000 crores over the next 5 years to expand the national gas grid and city gas distribution network. Of this, Rs 32,000 crore would go into pipeline laying and another 12,000 crore in city gas distribution network for retailing of CNG to automobiles and piped natural gas to household kitchens. I believe you understood till here. Major products and services. Natural gas, liquid hydrocarbon, liquefied petroleum, liquefied petroleum gas, transmission, petrochemical, city gas distribution, exploration, exploration and production, exploration and production, Gailtech, Gailtech and electricity, electricity generation, Gailtech and electricity generation, website of the company www.gailonline.com, gailonline.com. Business sectors: petrochemical, petrochemical, telecom, telecom, and power, and power. Brand names, brand names: Petronet, Gale Propane, Gale Propane. Achievements, achievements. Gale was Gale was listed in 131st position, 131st position India's among India's most trusted brands according to according to the brand trust report, the brand trust report 2014, the brand trust report 2014. Gale won the prestigious prestigious CII National Water Awards, Water Awards for excellence in water management, for excellence in water management 2016 in out of fence category, out of fence category. I believe you understood this. Gale, Gale India Limited, Gale India Limited, India, India's leading natural gas, India's leading natural gas company received India's leading natural gas company received top honors as the world's number one company, world's number one company in downstream operations, downstream operations for 2011 at the Platts Global Platts Global Energy Awards held at New York. Held at New York. I believe you understood this. I believe you understood. Let's see what we have discussed today. What we have discussed in today's class. We started with Cipla Limited. That was a pharmaceutical company. We started with Cipla Limited. That was a leading pharmaceutical company in India. Then we shifted to Coal India Limited. That was a PSU. Coal India Limited was a part of Maharatnas. It is owned by Government of India. Then we shifted to Dr. Reddy's. It is also a pharmaceutical company, a leading pharmaceutical company based in Telangana, Hyderabad, India. And then at last, we discussed GAIL India Limited. That is also a part of Maharatnas. It get the status of Maharatnas on 1st February 2013 by Government of India. It has several subsidiaries. I believe you understood till here. We are stopping here. We are stopping here. We'll continue from here in the next class. Thank you very much. Thank you.